BJP workers celebrate victory of Richard Tokbi. Journalist Birensing Enghi makes appeal to MEC Rina Terangpl. Simion Ingti repairs village road with own money. Good morning, you're watching Karbinung Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. As expected by majority of the voters of the constituency, Richard Tokbi not only retained the Dwarbagori seat but made an incredible record of winning from all polling stations, making him the only elected representative to ever done in its entire history. The Dwarbagori BJP candidate practically faced no challenge. He had won the election with a big margin. The elated supporters of Richard Tokbi celebrated his victory on Sunday night and felicitated him. They had organized a vehicle rally, escorted their MEC to his home in THIS. MEC Tokbi, while talking to the public after his victory, said that he will begin his new term with construction of road for the betterment of Dwarbagori constituency. He also extended his gratitude to Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang for giving him party ticket.
Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma para Pirong Birensing, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Ali Fan, Birensing, Nilifan ticket, Ongdung Abut, Deglongno.
Nali kuana votes pen sipini
2,840.
Kecing si nali Dwarbagori fan.
Arjison Rongpar from Dolamara, Karbinung Live. Journalist Birensing Ingti had appealed the local elected representative of Amreng constituency to make provision of good roads for the people. Enghi made this appeal during a press conference called on Monday at his own residence. Birensing Ingti had also participated in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election 2022 as an independent candidate, but lost to the BJP candidate Rina Terangpl. As such, he had appealed the winner to bring rapid transformation in Amreng constituency and extended his well wishes to her. Birensing Ingti said that even after 70 years of the formation of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, there is very less development seen in his constituency. Apart from that, there had been no proper maintenance of the government offices that had been set up. He had also alleged that several government job holders were directly involved in the election campaign and even indulged in rigging.
Akai pirina Terangpl sa meneli ninga klong pe hirume pajirlo la amring arada kisung ana pudak stame alangli radatum nang thanang ne pinpen radatum na chuning rinang ne pinpen angli pe jok ponpo wala pe ke jok pen nangli development kam stame klem ponpo nili birta kelong atek matek chomang atumil tumhan bhutang yok dun de pina tham alam thi bangal halo pining an ningkan proxy cap itum playing alo Karbi Autonomous Council me non anta hala chomang rat atumhan ke development assign dak pidam de pinang posi pining pen penang ningkan pen akatum bhutang ke yok dun de lape pining lo thata me vote na pidun de pin basang tum kala putut thiplo.
He had appealed Rina Terangpl to improve the condition of road linking Keroni with Jurikending, which is a lifeline of people on the hilly parts of the constituency. He also appealed that all the middle elementary schools should be provincialized and that legal action should be taken against those government employees who have been irregular in discharging their duties.
KIP Rina Terangpl alangli panili chuning ri ponji nangli phan radatum ta iri tuka cepati pu bang phoang bong pen nangli phan senang wai pondo posi nangli sita me kewang jilang arni ke nangli phan radatum na chuning ri yok plot pen radatum nangli phan nang pachini yok plot pen nangli kethek not an itum ke chardak kethek long prong kisum utha amukha ga nangli pe jok pon po posi nin thelo isilam Keroni pen Jurikending atwar labang so twar ke wax ta mela ningkan pho gali sila ningkan siang bong nangli pichun ponrek pola samenili ning thelo la pen ke Jurikending long 1967 ningkan hut kangpu ME school labang so ME school long non anta than bang aphai chok che pin lang hal bang so school long kachari la ke Jurikending hawar kiduk ke laga karbi raratum jirkeneng hawarlong kiduk kaduk awe khai arada sumar si ke Charlie posi labang so skulong prap jin pen than bang aphai ke chok lim penali one people posinili ning thela thela bang so skulong ki ong dung aning kan basi than bang aphai bang ke chun chepin mate awe pin do.
Birensing also thanked all the voters who had casted their vote in his favor. Mahonteran from Terangpl, Terangpl Live. Simion Ingti, son of Birensing Ingti of Dhoniram Ingti village in Koilamati, under Nilip Development Block, has repaired a road stretch of more than 50 meters on Monday as a voluntary contribution for the benefit of his village. Here is a report. Suffering for decades due to poor road connectivity, villagers now seek the intervention of the government and have appealed to the authority concerned to address their grievances at the earliest. The road is the only lifeline for the village, connecting it with the rest of the constituency. The cutting of the road began some year ago, however, it remained unattended by the authority concerned despite the deplorable condition, especially during the rainy days. In view of the difficulties faced by the villagers in using the road, Ingti hired a dumper and filled the potholes with sand and gravel. On seeing the voluntary work, some of the villagers came together and joined repairing the road. During the interaction with the media, Ingti said he decided to repair the road with his own savings due to the deplorable condition with no option but to repair it by him, lest they remain cut off from the rest of the region.
Labang so tawar nili pedaba por kibuna ko na atibang ke labang so long skin sawe pati muni datung kecehelat dari motor ke dam kasik sak na yoksi hang pensi la klempon lo.
Simion Ingti is the grandson of the village headman. He lost his father Birensing Ingti during Karbi-Dimasa conflict in 2005 at Charchim.
Itung na si Mr. Tokbi alang khan kami itung rara kang wai tong alang khan pe hai lo posi alang khan si ni kerap chang lo thela bangsu Dhoniram Ingti along afse towar punon munit ka cheleng khan kini project khan si tinui pon
Oke, skim pen kalang mengali.
lagi skim ben kali lagi mitang unjung ka si man plan pon lo.
Samson Ingti from Koilamati, Terangpl Live. Thank you for watching Terangpl Live. Have a good day.